chocolate with, no, actually that's my coffee with chocolate syrup and some coffee creamer, and then chocolate ice cream bars. Alrighty. Yan ang breakfast ko. Yun, that's my fish soup. Kailangan ko ng masarap na soup in the morning. So this is fish. Ayun, with some lentils, noodles, carrots, at kung ano pang inilagay ko dyan. Ayun. Veggies. With mushroom, cream of mushroom. Ayan. Sobrang init talaga dito. Kailangan doble-doble aircon mo. Init.